Good morning, happy Sunday, and welcome to Caroline's Saucy Kitchen. This one's for Sasha because she absolutely adores my blueberry pancakes. I can't blame her, they are so delicious. So simple, easy to make, you never want to buy the box one again. Basically, it's 2 cups of flour, salt, baking soda, sugar, and baking powder. So you just mix all that together, give it a little whisk, and then you want to have 2 cups of buttermilk, that's the secret. 2 eggs, so you're going to separate the eggs. The egg yolks are going to go in the buttermilk, I don't know if you can see that, and then the egg whites you're going to whip, which I used this thing for. I just did it in advance because it's so bloody noisy. So you want to whip them up so they're nice and fluffy. If you don't have a hand mixer, if you've got someone with a strong wrist in your family, get them to use one of these and that will whisk it up. So basically all we're going to do is mix up, the egg yolks are in here with the buttermilk, whip them together like that, like so. And then we're going to fold in these egg whites. So they pop in like that and kind of give them a little twirl around. And while that's mixing, again, I would use the hand mixer, but it's just so noisy. I've got 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So we're going to drizzle that in and give that a little whoosh around. Oh, it looks like marshmallows. So that's all like that. It kind of looks a bit lumpy, but that's fine. And then our dry mixture, we're just going to gently fold this all in. So you just toss that in like so. And then we're just going to like blend it in. So you don't want to use a mixer for this because that will knock out all the air that you put in by whisking the egg whites in the first place. So give that a nice little twirl around. As you can see, I don't even look in the bowl there, Shippy. It's kind of lumpy, but that's okay because that's what you want. Now at this point, so this is basically your buttermilk pancake mix. At this point, you can just make them like this if you don't want to put anything in them. That's fine. You can, if someone doesn't like fruit. So for me, we are in the mood for blueberries today, and that's Sasha's favourite. So I'm popping in the blueberries. Whoops, a bit noisy. Okay, and that's it. So now all we have to do is cook them. So please come to the stove. All right, so now I'm heating up the pan here. And basically, you need to put a knob of butter in. What size knob? It's up to yourselves. I don't know how much butter people like to use, but we're going to put that in there, melt it down, put that up a bit higher, and then we're going to scoop in our mixture. Oh, let me give that knob a little twirl, just to make sure it's got everywhere. So you want to get a nice big dollop of your mixture, and then just pop it in the pan, like so. If you happen to be very fussy about how many blueberries are in each pancake, then you can actually just top them on here, like on the basic dough. You could pop the pancakes in. I mean, not the pancakes, the blueberries, and have them all as exactly the amount. We like to live dangerously. We don't care how many blueberries. Someone gets lots, someone gets loads. It's just the luck of the pancake draw. All right, so now I'm going to wait for these to bubble up. So I'm going to stop for a second and then I'll come back once they start cooking. Okay, we're back. It's been about 4 minutes probably. Just so if you look down the pancakes, you see all these little holes are popping up? That's when you know it's time to flip them. So let's have a look. Oh, yeah, there we go. Usually, I don't know why, it's always the first batch of pancakes always come out a little strange, don't they? But there we go. So we give them a nice little flip and I guess cook it for another minute on the other side. Yeah, I guess that'd be about right. And then we're going to serve them up. Okay, so we let them cook for another minute on the other side. If you kind of see, you can see like if you're doing the blueberries, they start to kind of bubble out, so that's where you know they're done. And then we're going to just serve them. 1, 2, 3. I'll just take that off for a second so I can bring them over to here for Shafiq to have them. And basically I'll serve them with syrup or fruit. I get a banana at home. But I do strawberries. Fresh strawberries are delicious. And again, if you didn't want all the fruit in the pancakes, if you like chocolate chip or anything else, you guys know what you like. The actual, and I realised I didn't tell you the measurements of salt, etc. That's all in the recipe on my website. So enjoy Caroline's blueberry pancakes. Bye.